My name is Victoria Lim, and I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. I was born and raised in Tennessee, and I also went to college there at a small liberal arts university called Belmont University. I was interested in doing something in the medical profession, but then I realized that I really liked working with chemistry models, and I also really liked programming. And so I applied to UCI to come to graduate school here to work on computational chemistry. Computational chemistry is a very broad field of chemistry that uses computers, so computational techniques, to answer and study various concepts in chemistry. So what I do is apply a lot of existing tools to understand this protein called H3.1 and see if we can design drugs to target H3.1 and its related maladies. Research in the Mobley Lab focuses on applying and developing computational tools for drug design. So this is very important because the drug discovery pipeline on average takes about 10 years and over $2.6 billion. So if we can use these computational tools to figure out what might be a better drug earlier on, that will save us time in terms of doing all the experiments, and that will also save us a lot of money because we can better focus in on what might make a good drug compound earlier on. A big reason of why I chose UCI for the grad program is that I really like the research that I do. But even more than that, UCI has a lot of different resources for graduate students to develop these transferable skills that will benefit me in my life after graduate school. For example, I've attended a number of workshops at the Graduate Resource Center to develop my mentoring and communication skills. And finally, just as importantly, is that there's a very positive group dynamic in the Mobley Lab. Everyone gets along pretty well with each other. And that's important because oftentimes as a graduate student, one doesn't work with the advisor on a day-to-day basis. So the advisor might provide guidance on how to direct the project. In terms of getting specific details on how to make that happen, a lot of the mentoring comes from fellow graduate students. I chose to come to UCI because the grad students here are happy.